Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and welcome back to another Trace Jolie Kit Club design. This month I am working with, today I'm working with the mixed media kit. I do have an unboxing on my personal channel, and then there is one on this channel as well, the Trace Jolie channel. So we got some black gesso, some stencil butter, some glamour gel, some Lindy's magical powders, and these fun little decoupage pieces came with the kit as well. So now I've pulled in, this is just some of the laser cut pieces that you can get a la carte. I've got this from the card kit. And these two pieces here are from the scrapbooking kit, so I'm thinking about fussy cutting some of these out and maybe using that. So we just have to kind of see. So my idea is to cut, I want to cut this, and then I'm gonna fold it and then I'm gonna like cut this in half and fold it, and I'm gonna have my picture in the middle, which, what is my picture? The picture is going to be the Garden Glow, which I gotta find that, you guys. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I have them organized in the layouts that I'm doing, but I'm trying to get these completed first. I always like to do my design team stuff first, and then if there is time, come back and do the daily ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. So we're going to do that one photo. It's got a blue hue to it because while our friends and our kids were playing with the Grinch on the dance pad lights, we were drinking our hot chocolate in the Christmas tree that's like, there's a big light up Christmas tree standing right next to him. It turned blue. And that's my hubs. So I'm going to put that in the middle there to kind of hold the fold together, and you'll see what I mean. And then I want to take these little pieces and I'm going to paint them up with the seafoam, and then I'm going to put the glamour gel behind it. Kind of interested in seeing what this stuff is like. I've never used this product, so I'm kind of excited. I like new products. Alright. Oh, it's like a little metal jar. Oh, that's going to be so gorgeous when it dries, you guys. I'm actually thinking I've changed my mind and I'm not going to use the stencil butter. I'm going to go ahead and just paint these guys up. With this. And then we're going to splatter with that. So these two can kind of go over here and hang out. So that's what we're going to do with those. Let's trim the branding strip, and this is Memory Place Cherished Elegance. Alright, so I'm going, hello. You guys, my thing just broke. For real. That's weird. Oh no, it didn't. Ha! I thought it did. I really thought it did. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Well, that's unfortunate. Alright, so the handle just came off. I just gotta get it screwed back in there. It looks like it goes flush, so I don't have a screwdriver. I know I do, I just don't have one. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. No, I don't want to cut that off. I want to measure that. Let's see, that's gonna be roughly about 9. So then what we're gonna do is take it to, oh yeah, I am. No, I'm not. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that like that. You'll see my plan in a minute. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so I've cut that piece, as you remember, and I've got it just attached right there because the photo is going to sit right there, so it's going to be fine. I took the 8x8 and I cut it, and what I did was I put some foam in here and then just some regular tape runner there. And then I've got tape on both of these, and we're just going to bring it in. And well, it's probably going to be best to do it this way. So it's not going to cover completely. But the photo will cover the rest of it, right? So, and then I'm going to use some washi tape from my stash just to hold this piece on for the moment. And then I'll probably take a scrap piece of cardstock and adhere it to the back just so it doesn't, everything doesn't fall apart, right? Because we're going to have holes, and that's okay because you're not going to see them from the front. They're all going to be covered. So say you're going to have this, and this is going to be peeking out, and then I'm going to take this little doo-doo, and he's going to sit right there, and the other one's going to sit up there just to give it a little bit of something. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let me go ahead and finish getting that done, get the backing on, and make sure it's all down, and then see what I want to cut out from here, and if I want any of these, because I am thinking that I might want some of this on here. Like the little, I think I'm going to cut those little guys out and like decoupage them on there. So anyway, I will be right back. So I went ahead and attached these guys, which have this a very fun glamour gel. I almost say glitter gel. As you can see, it sparkles. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it really does sparkle in right here where I'm at. I've fussy cut all these items out. And now I'll just start sticking them over. I've glued those down a little bit with some liquid glue just to get those. So this is kind of like well, it's not kind of like, it is decoupage paper. So you gotta be a little careful with it because it can tear. And then my little fussy cut pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear that so it doesn't stick out too far. Whoa. And then we're just going to line them up. And kind of create 2 clusters all the way around the little layout we got going on here. So these are gears and clocks and all kinds of little fun items. All I do is I look to make sure that it is facing the correct direction. Let's get this guy over here. I'm going to cut this one in half. We're going to slide it up underneath there for that one, and then this we just want to tuck in here. We're going to tuck this one in up here. Okay. And we don't need much more of the definition because we've got all of this being popped up. Okay, and then what I've done is I've taken some of those fussy cut pieces and just put it on a scrap piece of white paper. So I'm going to fussy cut those out and line them in there because we've got, for those who dare to dream, choose adventure, or be splendid and choose adventure. They should be this way, but escape the ordinary. So I'm going to put escape the ordinary, and for those who dare to dream somehow, probably on there somewhere, but I just put it on here so that I could pop it up a little bit. Okay, let's get those. There we go. Not wanting to stick. And then we're going to mix up the Lindy's magical powder here, and we're going to splatter, and I did back it. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I did trim it and just back it on some black cardstock. So, and then the only other thing that I'm going to add from my stash, I have just some gears that I think would be cool to kind of pop in around because we've got a lot of the gears going on. So just add a little bit more texture to it. So if you could just give me 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this out. And then we'll come back and we'll add these, and this layout will be done. Okay, to do this next part, I just got my spray bottle. We got the Lindy's Magical Gang. I've got a fan brush and just a piece of packaging to cover the photo. And then we're going to open this up carefully so we don't make a big mess. And then where's my little scoop tool? So I just have this doodle bug. It's got a scoop on one end. So I'm just going to reach in. Let's put this down there so you guys can see. So it's just powder that's stuck to my finger. I'm just going to grab a fair scoop. And I'm just going to put that right down there. That's all we're going to need, I think. I'm going to put the lid back on this because, goodness, I do not want to make a mess. And then I'm just going to slide this over and add some water right there to my mat. And then we're just going to mix. So we're just going to bring that all together. And it's going to make a really, really fun little beautiful gold color. That is gorge. And then we're just going to bring it and we're just going to splatter. So now the fan brush is going to do the really fun spread out splatters, right? So the little small guys. And then I just keep sopping it up. And the harder I tap, the more that comes off. I'm just trying to get it all sopped up. And that's gonna do it. Then we're gonna take this guy off. He's fun and splattered. I'm gonna clean the mat up, but that's it. That is everything, and this layout is done. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll check you later with another video. Don't forget to head to the Trace Jolie Facebook group and website and blog. See what's all there. Pick yourself up some of these fabulous kits. March kits shall be revealed shortly, and oh my word, I've got a sneak peek, and you guys are gonna love it. So I will see you later. Bye.